In this Clipchamp tutorial, I will show how to properly use masking at different places of a single video. One common issue with masking in Clipchamp is that when you mask an object in one part of the video, it will mess up the other part. I mean, it will mask the same portion in other places as well. One of the ways is to duplicate as many layers based on how many different maskings are required. But I found another method more convenient and easy. Now if we see in this video, I want to mask login section and address information section. I will show the problem first, so we will see how to resolve. Here I select the video and then hit Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. This created another layer on the top. I go to the beginning position and click on crop option, and we need to select the area we want to blur. I am selecting the area I want to crop. This is the section I am interested in hiding. Along with this, I also want to hide address section. You need to click on Effects. Search for Blur option and make it a complete blur by reducing it so that it will be completely hidden. If we observe this, login section is hidden correctly, but address details section is not hidden in the right way because it will still point to the login section masking. Now let's see how to resolve this. I am removing the previous masking, and then I hit Ctrl+C followed by Ctrl+V. I am positioning it correctly so that both will start from the same position. Since we have got two different sections for which we need to apply masking, we need to first split the video into two pieces. I am looking to see where the login section ends. That is where I need to split the video into pieces. Now I cut the video and I will apply the crop. I select the area I need to crop. This is followed by selecting the blur effect. I need to reduce it completely to make it blue. Similar way, I go to address details section as usual, select the area you need to crop. This is followed by selecting the blur effect. Now let's look at the preview. Here we see login section is hidden correctly, and also the address details section where the masking is applied in two different places. This way you can manage Clipchamp's masking and keep your edits looking professional and smooth. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want me to cover anything specific, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.